Okay. First, I'd like to thank Megan and Bo for this fantastic class. I had no idea that we can do this much with Canvas. So let me just tell you what my original Canvas looked like when I taught this course before. This is what it looked like. As you can see, that it's just a straightforward, the syllabus, and then it's all the informations are there, but just a little bit more difficult to navigate. So I have decided to change that and update it. And so for this class, so this is my current form. And so it's much cleaner looking. So this course is actually for advanced students, for mostly for seniors and juniors and seniors. And a lot of them are pre-med and very contents heavy. And so the challenges are just how to put a lot of information, and just to make sure that all the students are up to the speed and they keep up, they don't get behind. Because I used to teach this class for 10 weeks, but this is a 5 weeks course, so that it will progress very fast. So from the student point of view, so this is a student view, I think this comes out very clean, and I like the way that all the information is here. One can access the syllabus, and then my office hour, and then also access the Q&A session. And then all the exam schedule and homework schedule are there. So this course is taught both asynchronously and then also synchronously. All the lectures are given in about 10 to 12 minutes short videos. For each lecture consists of about 4 video clips. And then what I do is that they have actually, so these are some of the informations. And then what I provide to students are these study guide. And these study guide will just actually follow the video and ask some of the important concepts that they need to understand while they're watching. Originally, I was going to embed this in the part of my video clip, but I don't think I have time to do this. So instead of doing that, I decided to just give them a study guide and then provide how to watch my video, and then try to actually summarize some of the contents. And then immediately after that, what I'm going to ask them is actually a series of questions. And these are some of the questions that make sure that I understand their concept, and then they can understand, they can check whether they understand some of the difficult concepts. So that's what I have for this in the study guide. And then what I have is also, since this is a very content heavy, I'm providing actually the survey after every lecture. And so that means that I'm giving a lecture that they have time for 2-3 days period to watch the lecture. And then they have 24-hour period to actually take a survey question. So this is a kind of form of the quiz. And then they have 24 hours. They can answer those questions by checking the video or going back to the textbook. And then so they know, so we can check how much materials they understand. And then as a synchronous part, what I do is that deadline of this quiz deadline is at 8 a.m. And actually I have an office hour scheduled every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, starting at 9 a.m. And so that I can actually access to their performance and see how they have done. And then this office hour time will be used actually to answer and go over the quizzes immediately, so that the answers are provided after they take the quizzes. And then this will be recorded, and so that they can actually access to this through asynchronous means. Only time that they have to be in the specific time is like when they have to take an online exam, and those dates are scheduled. And then I have a Zoom meeting, which is where all the office hours will be held, or discussion session will be held. And then all my lecture will be from access through the user sites. And these are actually, all the homework assignments so they can keep up. And then all the information is actually provided in the single first page. So, so for this, it's not complete, but I think this is much better than what I had about a year ago. And thank you very much again, Megan and Bo, for helping me, get through. And I have about a couple weeks just to get this ready. And thank you.